Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for watching to my presentation. In this presentation, I will discuss about cohesion and coherence. Before, let me introduce myself. My name is Pioni Samira. I'm an active student of the third semester of Sriwijaya State Polytechnic, Accounting Majors. What is cohesion? It is important to the part of a written text to be connected together. Another word for this is cohesion. This word comes from the word cohere, which means to stick together. Cohesion is therefore related to ensuring that the words and sentences you use to stick together. Good cohesion is achieved through the following 5 main methods, each of which is described in more detail below. 1. Repeat words or ideas. 2. Reference word. 3. Transition signals. 4. Substitution. 5. Ellipsis. Repeat words or ideas. One way to achieve cohesion is to repeat words or to repeat ideas using different words or synonyms. Study the following example. Repeat words or synonyms are so in bold. Reference words. Reference words are words which are used to refer to something which is mentioned elsewhere in the text, usually in a preceding sentence. The most common type is pronouns, such as it or this or this. Transition signal. Transition signals, also called cohesive device or linking words, are words or phrases which show the relationship between ideas. There are many different types, the most common of which are explained in the next section on transition signals. Substitution. Substitution means using one or more words to replace or substitute for one or more words used earlier in the text. Grammatically, it is similar to reference words, the main difference being that substitution is usually limited to the clause which follows the words being substituted, whereas reference words can refer to something far back in the text. The most common words used for substitution are 1, so, and auxiliary verbs such as do, have, and be. Ellipsis. Ellipsis means leaving out one or more words because the meaning is clear from the context. Ellipsis is sometimes called substitution by zero. Called substitution by zero, since essentially one or more words are substituted with no word taking their place. Below is the example passage again. There is one example of ellipsis. The phrase "the port is," which means the port important feature is, so the word important feature would have been omitted. Difference between coherence and cohesion. Coherence is defined as the quality of being logical, consistent, and able to be understood. Imagine coherence as a building. It's an analogy, go with it. Cohesion, on the other hand, refers to the act of forming a whole unit. It is effectively a subset of coherence. Picture cohesion as the brick and cement which make up the building. Okay, and that brings us to the end. I would like to thank you for your time and attention. Thank you so much for your interest and attention. I hope my presentation will be useful for all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.